Drowse, drowse, drowse. Drowse. Drowse, drowse, drowse. Okay. Naalala ko tuloy yung room ng sister ko. Ganito. Hair black. What if they're like this? What if they're different colors?
Oh, yeah. Basta the blue part.
Okay. No, the flower part.
The flower part.
Okay. Kailangan bang ganun?
Para uniform.
They're sleeping next to Sid. Itong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Wait, so where are you sleeping, Denise?
Here.
Sa liwanag mo.
Ate Joya.
When do you?
Yeah. Most likely.
Push it later. Dapat sa ilalim yung flowers, diba? Oo. Baliktad. You're baliktad. No, you're baliktad.
Yung flowers, ito.
Fine. Baliktad o C.
Bakit may red, kuya?
I think it's from the paint, there's a lot of paint stains on the floor and the carpet.
I like new sheets. Thank
Me
you.
too. I love new sheets.
Yeah?
Kahit ko lang yung mga, yung mga vents, air vents.
Yeah, go.
Okay na? Nagsindi nitong ilaw, walang iba.
Oo.
Hindi
Ano,
ikaw.
new sheets na to.
Tulo?
Sorry.
I'll hold it.
Okay,
You
I like
did
it.
it.
Your OC.
You did it. I'll hold it.
Sorry, sleep.
No, I like it. Yeah?
I don't know kung, if I spray this on Sway, will it damage it?
Sway?
Mukha kang busayap.
What do you think?
I don't think
no.
you should. I think you should from a distance. Okay, lang. As long as it doesn't get it like stains.
Gosh, never mind. I don't want to do it.
The suede is really delicate.
Yeah, because that's why.
No, it's okay.
Okay, he's okay.
What do you think?
Sabi ni Slater,
It's okay.
Slater's the man. He knows his shit.
It's okay. Okay lang yun.
Oh my god, I feel so itchy.
Ito na.
I took an allergy pill. Mamaya na? Marami.
Pwede yung sheet sa dulo. Kasi na.
Oh my goodness.
Mama, can we switch that sheet?
Kasi may tulong konti. Konting
Wag
konti.
na! Hindi!
It's because it's
Ayoko.
matching. The blue one.
Okay.
Matching.
Oh, yes.
Matching kasi. Hindi ito yung matching. Ito. Matching. Diba ito, this
Mahirap
one?
tong sponge. Yung pang ano na lang.
Thank you.
Bigel,
How come
Wala
they get
ginagawa.
one guy sleeping on?
tulungan mo ko parang matagal kasi wala.
What's deodorant? They have everything. There's bras and stuff. Denise. Billy.
Bili.
Oh, I'm so itchy.
Buti na lang malinis yung mga kasama natin.
Oo nga. I'm so thankful.
I'm thankful I'm a high voltage.
I'm so thankful. Thank you.
High voltage tea.
Buti na lang high
Imagine mo
voltage.
kung ano, no?
High voltage.
High voltage.
Oh, itchy. Watching you clean dust is making me itchy.
Oh, I'm just trying to do something.
That's good, thank
Help,
you.
'cause-
Dude, you should
get it.
clean the floor.
yeah, because I
Ganun na.
couldn't come in with that. Maano talaga ako for sure.
Teka, anong partner nan? This one?
Oh, that one's for this one.
Oh, grabe, ang dumi, ah.
Let's have every Sunday, let's have cleaning day. Or every Saturday, or every
Saturday tayo
Monday.
cleaning day na. Diba? After nomination, usually.
Tsaka stress reliever na rin in a way.
Nice.
Yung ano, diba, one time,
Ayos si Cassie gamit niya stress tayo.
Diyos ko, stress na stress ako na kayo. Sigla.
Ito yung sinasabi ni Kevin, ang dumi ng vent nila.
Oo.
Wala silang ginawa.
Kaya nga. Na ano naman nila, within reach lang. 'Di ba? At least sa atin mataas.
That's what I'm doing. This one.
Hey, you need to clean that. Kasi yun yung malapit sa ano natin.
Kapal ng comforter!
Sarap!
Oh, thank you, kuya!
Parang masaya na din, no?
Gusto mo ito yung sa
Sa
taas?
dito?
Hindi, iniisip ko.
Masaya to, na ano lang tayo, nanibago lang tayo.
Oo.
Kanina na.
Yep.
Hindi siya speak and
Parang
span.
you're
Isip
done
ko.
na.
Aha.
Gusto ko yung ganyan ka.
Sige, I'm gonna clean.
Gusto ko yung ganito
Tsaka
kayo.
mas malinis na ano.
Linisin ko ah.
So nice.
No!
Okay.
Na ano?
So happy! So happy!
I actually like this place.
Yeah.
It's gonna bring us more closer.
Yep.
Because we all have to stay closer together. Whereas other places, it's more. We have more space.
Yeah, I think yung about the sleeping thing, I think it's more of kasi hindi tayo natutulog kasi may kausap tayo.
Oo. At probably tayo yung group na mabasa. Mahilig magbasa.
Nagbabasa lang kasi tayo eh.
Kaya siguro, mas malapit tayo sa, di ba? Mas marami tayong lovers sa labas.
Talaga.
Feeling ko,
This one for you.
Thank you.
Pwede pala to tanggalin eh.
and wash it off.
Ay.
Ako na.
Wow.
Hindi, tanggalin ko naman to.
Wow, mas malamig. I love it.
Kuya, kunin ko to. Linisin ko lang po.
Yeah.
Oo,
Oo.
okay lang yan. Minove na namin yung cabinets. Kasi maraming bra.
Wow, no.
Tapos ano pa yung...
It doesn't look like it's from the outside. It looks like it's from a machine.
Yeah.
But I get what you mean.
Malamig dyan.
It's a hole
Hindi.
to the outside world.
Tatanggal.
I'm so itchy.
Nakakamiss yung bed.
So, last day na sa
Ito yung bed. I remember.
Buti na lang
Kaya may isa pa yung mga nurse daw, magaling mag-bed make, magaling din mag-bed strip. Tsaka, supposed to be,
At saka, nurses, come and get me, get me, get me.
yung
Never mind.
yung opening, hindi nakaharap sa door. Yung opening ng pillowcase. Should not face the door. Away from the door.
Away from the door.
Talaga?
Kasi
So, makita yung confession para yung germs.
yung
sabi ng
germs
CR.
from the outside world just.
We're trapped inside of this world. There's germs everywhere.
Kuya, I'm so happy.
Ba't na aeroplano?
Oh,
Kanina.
okay.
Yun na yun. Yun ang travel na.
Pag uuwi ka, mag-aeroplano ka.
So,
Pag, syempre, yung mga ibang out of town.
I think
Oh,
it's just
like ako,
excite
mag-aeroplano
everyone.
talaga ako pa uwi,
Yung iba,
ganon.
trend lang. Kasi,
feeling ko kuya.
trend lang.
Malapit na.
Labit lang.
Diba, taxi?
Nung isang araw, di ba yun yung ano natin, mga jeep, mga bus.
For
Distraction sa 55 sa count.
Pati yung
I think girls
morning.
supposed to say here then.
Talaga?
Wait, ang call.
Hindi ko na naalala.
Isang lock night, isang...
Oo.
3 beds, 4 beds for the girls.
No, I think
We don't need it.
Paano kaya na lang maarte din kayo? I like it so much.
Hindi
I
naman
want to do one
maarte.
for our bed.
It's more of health issues. Hygiene, sanitation.
Hindi, feeling ko kaya
pangit din kanina, hindi kasi malinis. Pagpasok, parang,
Oo, yung reaction natin.
oo.
Kahit di ba kanina, pag alis natin sa bahay, sorry, marumi bahay namin.
Eh, para sa kanila palang malinis na pala yan.
Na valid naman na marumi yun kasi galing tayo sa
Ilan
pool.
ba girls doon?
Lima din, parang tayo. Lima din tayong girls dito. Dapat nga mas malinis dito kasi mas maliit yung space, mas konti sila.
At mas daming girls.
Oh, tapos 5 girls, tapos, ay, Diyos ko doon.
Yan. People, if you love us, don't let the girls go. Don't, please. Am I allowed to say that or bowel? No, bowel. Bowel? Sorry. I think bowel.
You can.
Yeah.
But you
There's
can't.
so little parang say hi lang. In Greek.
Ay, gano'n na pala.
Kausapin niya outside. So little girls.
Tsaka
I
ano,
need my girlies.
Anong tawag dito? Yung, what I don't understand is they are so preoccupied with cleaning themselves, making up, and not make up your own place.
In their bed.
Parang I don't see the logic na ganun.
There is no logic. That's the point. Di ba nga pagpasok natin dito pa, ang gulo.
Oh, super teen, may mga tibak, may mga bra. I mean like, you leave your bra, just... Diba kahit nga tayo, magsasorry tayo sa isa't isa, sorry, may bra sa bed ko, which is... Diba?
Ayan, pinaswimming sa garbage.
Yan tuloy.
Hindi, nung one time, di ba nung nagpa-practice